What is really good, familia? Welcome back to the channel, to Familia Kicks HQ, and today we're just diving into the video once again, fam. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Listen, we're talking about a highly anticipated sneaker, probably one of the most anticipated sneakers of 2022, and this boutique, this company, this conglomerate of an amazing group of people in AMAMANIERE, Mr. Whitner and his whole team have been absolutely killing it in the game when it comes to collaborating with Nike, with some of the most popular Nike silhouettes or Jordan silhouettes. And so this year we are expecting in the holiday season the Jordan 4 by AMAMANIERE. And so there's been a lot of controversy going on this year. The actual design of this specific sneaker and the color blocking, the actual colorway. We did a few months back have something get released where a lot of people thought this was gonna be it, like this military style silhouette, right? The color blocking was the military style for the 4, and it looked nice. It looked nice. It didn't veer too far off from what we have been seeing with AMAMANIERE. Okay, we've been seeing like this burgundy, a lot of like light cream colors, or a lot of like super like light muted, really off-white color with extremely high quality materials with slight hints of burgundy, this really purple type hue to it. Well, come the official AMAMANIERE 4 that just got leaked a few weeks ago. I think the first look was by Master Chef Ian on IG. You can find him there. He is one of the owners of Private Selection. If you don't know who Private Selection is, they're an amazing group of people. YouTube channel. They got Scotty, you got Ian, you got Full Fit Larry, you got a whole crew there. The whole team is pretty awesome. I love those guys, and they're killing it. They're killing it in the game with early bird sneakers. That's their thing. They got the early bird jump off going on. That's their spiel. That's their niche, and they're killing it. And they released the first look into the AMAMANIERE 4. And guys, when they first hit the internet, we were like, a lot of people started hating, or not hating, but just they looked confused and conflicted, because others were expecting was this military style 4, right? And people were accustomed to that. They kind of liked that vibe that it was getting, right? And then they just completely got blindsided by something totally different. So let's talk about the design and what AMAMANIERE is releasing. They are releasing at some point this holiday season. We don't know yet, but we expect it to see at some point in the holiday season. So I would assume between the months of October and December. This sneaker is completely in this like burgundy hue, like totally, like the whole entire upper is pretty much this burgundy wine color, like a very earth tone wine color. I don't know how to explain it, but I think that's why I like it, because the colorway itself, it's very different from anything that I've seen. I mean, when it comes to sneakers, you either get purple, which is typically a purple like the Friends and Family Travis Scott 4. You have that type of purple. This is not that. You either have a light purple, almost like a violet, like that hairy suede Jordan 4 that just got released. I forgot what they're called, but that one was really nice. But it's purple, like it's Barney purple, you feel me? So you can actually see it. This is that in between. It's that upside down color. It's just so freaking beautiful, and I love it. And when I saw it, I immediately liked it better than the military 4s. So you do have a couple of other distinctions in this specific sneaker as well. You have along the rear of part of the sneaker, you're gonna have like these little metal buttons with the AMAMANIERE logo, the A right there. And I think that adds a little flair to it. AMAMANIERE is always known for adding these little Easter eggs to their sneakers. They add either quotes from MJ, or they add different things when it came to their Jordan 3 line that was dedicated to women. Like, they have these beautiful ways of adapting a silhouette, making it unique, making it different. And I think it's so beautiful the way they just do it very subtly. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's very subtle the way they do it. They'll add a quote behind a tag for you to see, right? Like, you don't see it on the sneaker, you have to move something in order to see it. So it's their way of personalizing their sneakers, and I just love that they do it in a way that doesn't take away from the look, the aesthetic of the sneaker on the outside, but you know that it's there if you're the owner of the sneaker. So I think that's freaking dope. Also, high quality material as always. Like this beautiful, it looks like a suede, right? It looks like it's gonna be a suede, not hairy, just a nice nubuck on there. And their materials are always so A1. That's why I love AMAMANIERE. They just continue to crush the game when it comes to material material and these high luxe sneakers. It just is something that you can rock on a special occasion, and that's what I love. You know what I'm saying? It's just something you can rock with dressy clothes even. Like you can rock these silhouettes, any of the silhouettes. You can rock them with dressy clothes. I don't care what people say. You can definitely rock it with dressy clothes. So you have the quilted insole that is gonna come with as well, which looks amazing. You also have the quilted inner lining of the sock, also the tongue. It looks like behind the tongue, there also will be a quilted sock liner inside there. Plush, beautiful, elegant, very delicate materials to these sneakers, and that's what I appreciate the most as well. So when it comes to pricing, expect to see a little bit of more of a premium price tag. Usually with AMAMANIERE, when they release, they're usually about $20, $20 to $30 above a GR release, a general release pair. So expect this pair to possibly, I mean, what, fours always come out typically around 200 or something like that. So I'd expect to be 20 above that. So 220, maybe even 250, right? If the quality is crazy, like it looks like it's gonna be, they might even push it a little bit more, which I think 250, that's a really fair price when you got other sneakers coming out releasing for 300 and above. Like I think AMAMANIERE's price very fair for the quality that you do get. So as of right now, all we have is really these early looks into this sneaker. There is a YouTuber that I came across by the name of the Shoe Game or Shoe Game MD, which he is a doctor, physician, and he actually has a review. He bought it early. I don't officially know like if this is like who's it from. I don't know, but the review nonetheless is very interesting, and you can use it to compare when the official release happens. Go ahead, check it out if you want. I'm all about this the official release. I think it looks beautiful, elegant, and I'm all about that life when it comes to AMAMANIERE. They are an amazing group. I really do appreciate them. I love them. I have the ones back there. I have the twos. I have not been able to cop the threes, unfortunately, because they're just very expensive right now. But the ones and twos, I was able to cop retail. But guys, anyway, what do you guys think about the Jordan 4s? Do you prefer the military style color blocking? Are you enjoying what you're seeing now? The more I see these, the more I really fall in love with them. I want the 4s. I cannot wait. I hope to cop for retail. If you want to cop for retail, as more information comes along, I will pass it on to you on how to cop for retail. Check my other videos where I discuss tips on what you need to do in order to cop retail. Manual gang, you know what's up. I appreciate y'all. My family, mi familia, my people, mi gente. Let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe to your boy, you know how it is. Hasta la próxima. Up until the next video. Peace.